Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to configure common settings in ESurveyCAD. Common settings allow you to define default options that will be applied to all new project files until the settings are changed again. In the Common Settings window, you can configure options such as font paths, block paths, background color, and default DWG export version. First, let's look at the font path setting. ESurveyCAD includes some default fonts, but if you want to use SHX fonts, you can import them here. Select the folder path where the SHX font files are stored, then click on the Update button. Usually, CAD software like AutoCAD, BricsCAD, or ZWCAD stores fonts inside their installation folders. Next is the block path setting. If you frequently use blocks in your drawings, store all block files in a single folder. Then select that folder as the default block folder and click Update. Now let's change the drawing viewer background color. Open the color palette, choose the required background color, and click Update to apply the changes. You can also set the default DWG export version. Choose the required drawing format version, such as AutoCAD 2007, 2010, 2013, or 2018. After making all the required changes in Common Settings, click on the Update button to save them. That's how you configure common settings in ESurveyCAD. If you're working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449-599709. Thank you for watching this video.